G'day, me again. No such thing as right and wrong in this world, or legal bloody laws. As far as the government's concerned, they can rip off my gold, rip off my gas. Take the Avoca Gold Proprietary Limited Company. Just got a letter from the Deputy Registrar of the High Court of Australia, which is where I'm supposed to be able to lodge my miner's right claim. Usual sort of bullshit. You got to go through the Supreme Court or the bloody District Court or whatever. I'm sick and tired of this bloody legal system in this country. As far as I'm concerned, not interested anymore. I'm walking away from the whole bloody lot. At the end of the day, I'm just going to look after myself, found a lady that's decent, and have some fun. Who knows how much longer I've got to live in this world. And as far as I'm concerned, the law sucks. It's an ass. The bloody coppers, half of them are corrupt. The other half are bloody dickheads. Break the law left, right and centre, because quite simply you'll get away with it. There's no such thing as them being able to catch you. As long as you're smart and you know what you're doing. It's like with marijuana. Just turn around and take quickies and you'll find out that you won't do it to get a marijuana bust on a DNA squad. So be yourself, be common sense, think about what you're doing, be one step ahead of the bastards, because by Christ, I'll screw the system over. There's no such thing as a fair go in this country. It's just a matter of sort of like, who gives a shit? I've had a gut full of it. Most people in this world think that they can turn around and just get away with the crap. They steal a multi-billion-dollar company off me. Avoca Resources turn around and say that, yeah, we were a legendary gold mine and that. No, Laurie Vaughan and my father came to an agreement because my father had lost $7.5 million of Woden Church's money in a development for the Baptist Union of Australia here in Canberra. And quite simply, they're going to get away with it. And I frankly don't give a damn anymore. You know, there's no such thing as legal rights. There's no such thing as the coppers want you, they'll get you, but the coppers have been after me for years. And they can't get anything on me because I don't break the bloody law. And personally, I think they're a bunch of wanking bastards. And I hope they have as many crashes and bloody flat tyres as possible. Because quite simply, I don't give a stuff about them. One of these days, eventually, bloody mayhem will break out. And there'll be people turning around and starting to kill people left, right and centre. Look at it now. We've got 18-year-olds beating the crap out of coppers. Maybe they deserve it, maybe they don't. Then we get coppers turning around, and young coppers, you know, only been in the force for 18 months, drives to a bloody giveaway sign up in Armidale and kills a bloody nurse who's been looking after people all her life. Does the copper get bloody charged and convicted with manslaughter or bloody homicide or vehicle homicide? No. Then we have over in Perth, the copper turns around, supposedly working on welding something on his trailer, burns down 79 homes and puts a whole lot of people out of bloody their homes. He'll get away with it, because the whole thing's rigged. Coppers are bloody a free species. One of these days, though, coppers might understand that they're not above the law. Same with the government. They all know me here in Canberra. At the end of the day, I no longer give a stuff about them. Because quite simply, you should pay attention to the Mayan calendar. It's an important calendar, people. And the Mayan calendar finishes the next year, 2012. Goodbye the world. Goodbye Australia. Does it really matter anymore? Have a look at the activity that's happening in our planet at the moment. Earthquakes, tidal waves, tsunamis, weird weather patterns. Maybe we should have turned around and prayed to God a long time ago. Or maybe we should have turned around and recognised that Jesus Christ came back. But he wasn't a very nice person these days. And now he's just out for revenge. Goodbye, Australia.